Hey, this JD, and I want to show you a easy way that you can end your songs, and it has a very nice sound to it, and it's a very smooth progression, and it's just basically using a major chords and diminished chords. And I'm going to show it to you across the keyboard, so you'll be able to see it in any, no matter what key you're playing in, and you'll be able to use it anytime you want to. Alright, so in context, say you were into the song, we'll do it in key of D flat. Say we ended the song off our 2-5-1, 2-5-1. Take it. Alright, very simple. Alright, my brother actually showed this to me, and I asked him, I said, do you mind if I share this with everybody else? And he said, go ahead. So here we go. Alright, so in the key of D flat, we look at it first in D flat, and then I'll show it to you across the keyboard. D flat, what we're going to do, first thing we're going to do, we're going to walk up the D flat scale. 1, 2, 3, 5. So we're going to play D flat, E flat, F, A flat. Alright? And then we're going to fall down a half step to that G. That's going to be our sharp 5 in the key. Tritone away from D flat. Alright, we're going to drop down to our sharp 5 of the key, and that is going to be the third of our 2 chord. So first thing we're going to want to do is find out what our 2 chord is in the key of D flat. D flat 2 chord is going to be 1, E flat. So our target chord in your mind, think E flat major. Alright, so we're going to play an E flat major chord, second inversion. Second inversion, I got the B flat at the bottom. Normally you have an E flat major here. We're going to play it second inversion. B flat, E flat, and G. So we're holding the 2 in our left hand, which is E flat. So we have D flat, walk it up, E flat major. Alright, then we're going to take this E flat major chord, which is our 2 chord in the key of D. Normally we play an E flat minor. Alright, but we're playing a D flat major here, or E flat major, I'm sorry. We're going to take this chord, and we're going to take the top note, which is G, and invert it down to the bottom of the chord, which is the G here. And that's going to change us to a first inversion E flat major, or E flat major chord. So we have E flat major second inversion, E flat major first inversion, all while holding the E flat in our left hand. So you have, alright, and then what you're going to do, left hand, you're going to go ahead and go to your 5, which is A flat. Alright, go to your 5. And then on your right hand, whatever that note is at the bottom of your chord, that G right there, you're going to take it up a whole step and play a diminished 7 chord. So a whole step up from G is an A. So I'm going to play an A diminished 7 chord. Alright? And if you want to look at it like this, A is your sharp 5 of your D flat major scale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, sharp 5. Alright? So we're playing A flat in our left hand, our 5. And we're going to play that A diminished 7 in our right hand. I have A, C, E flat, G flat. So you're going to need to know how to play all of your diminished 7 chords comfortably in order to do this move here. Alright, so I'm playing A diminished 7. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that top note, the G flat, invert it to the bottom of the chord here, and make it a G flat diminished 7. So I'm going to have, that's my move. A diminished 7 to G flat diminished 7. Alright? All while holding an A flat. So we have the whole thing. Alright? And then it's gonna, this G flat diminished 7 chord is gonna comfortably be taking us down to a D flat major chord, to our 1 chord. F, A flat, and D flat. While playing D flat in our left hand. So we have end of the song, 2, 5, oh sorry, 2, 5, 1, walk it. Alright, so say we want to take that to another key. Like I say, all you got to do first is find out what your target chord is, depending on what key you're in. And so if I was to look at it in the key of, go to G flat, alright? My target chord is going to be A flat. That's my 2 chord in the key of G flat, alright? So I'm going to play an A flat major chord, A flat, C, E flat. But instead of playing it root position, I'm going to play it second inversion. So that means I'm gonna play E flat, A flat, and C. Alright, normally I would play an A flat minor chord, but I'm gonna play an A flat major chord right here. Alright, while playing the A flat in my left hand. So I'm gonna walk up the G flat scale. 1, 2, 3, 5. Alright, drop down that half step to my A flat major chord. Alright. Take it down to the first inversion, so take the C to the bottom of the chord. Alright, then we're gonna go to my 5 on my left hand, which is D flat. Then we're gonna go up a whole step from C to my D diminished 7, D, F, A flat, and B. And then I'm gonna take the B and put it at the bottom of the chord. Alright, and then that's gonna take me nicely to my 1 chord. Alright, so let me let you hear that. A flat, D, to the B diminished 7, to my G flat major chord. Alright? So find out what the 2 chord is, play it as a major chord, and then go up a whole step and play a diminished 7 chord, invert that chord, and then fall to your 1. So it's that simple. So let me just go through. I'm gonna go through and just pretty much play all of them so you can see them. I haven't ran these in my fingers, so I probably will mess up on a few of them, but I just want to get this out to you. So G, you're gonna walk up the G scale. Our target chord is gonna be our A, so we're gonna play an A major chord. All right, second inversion. So this is gonna be our chord E, A, and C sharp. All right, so here we go. Alright, invert it. Alright, and then E flat diminished, up a whole step, E flat diminished to our 5, and D in our left hand. Alright, and then take that down, invert that chord, put the C at the bottom, and then go to our 1. Alright, A flat. B flat is our chord. Alright, B flat is our 2, so I'm playing B flat major. Take it down, invert it. Alright, and then go up a whole step to my E and play an E diminished 7 while going to my 5. Alright, invert that chord and then go to my 1. Alright, so. Alright, look at it from A. Our target chord is going to be B major. Alright, that's my 2 chord from A. Alright, gonna invert that chord to a second inversion. That's gonna give me F sharp, B, and technically D sharp. Alright. Alright, so I'm gonna play this chord, invert it. Then I'm gonna go to an F diminished 7. Alright, take that chord, invert the D at the bottom. Alright, and then go to back to my 1. Alright, go back to my 1 chord. A major chord. Alright, so let's hear that. Like I said, I haven't ran all these in my fingers. Alright, B major, target B flat major. Target's gonna be C major. So we're gonna play G, C, and E. Alright, take it down and invert it. Go to a F sharp diminished 7. F sharp, A, C, E flat, or D sharp. G flat diminished 7, I guess I should call it. Invert that down to an E flat diminished 7. Alright. And that's gonna take us nicely down to our 1 chord, to our B flat major chord. So, alright. So I'm just gonna kind of walk these through real quick. B major. Alright, our target chord is gonna be D flat, so we're gonna play a D flat second inversion. A flat, D flat, F. Alright. Gonna walk up the scale. Invert that chord down to a D first inversion. Alright, go up a whole step to our G and play a diminished 7 chord while going to our 5, which is G flat. Alright, invert that chord. And that's going to take us to our 1. Alright, C major. Target chord is going to be D major. Alright, so we're going to play A, D, F sharp. So we have. Alright, D major, inverted, A flat diminished 7, while playing G in our left hand, a 5, to our F diminished 7, just invert that chord, F at the bottom. That's going to take us nicely to our 1 chord. D flat, alright. I showed you this one already. Alright. I'm just gonna do the rest of them real quick. Alright, target chord is gonna be our E major. Alright, so we're gonna play B, E, and A flat. Alright, or G sharp. So we have, I'm gonna play it down here. Alright, B flat diminished 7 chord while playing our 5. A, sorry about that. Alright, and then going to our 1. E flat. Target chord is going to be F major, so we're going to play second inversion. C, F, and A, down to A, C, and F. Go up a whole step to B diminished 7. Alright, take the A flat, put it at the bottom, the A flat diminished 7. Alright, that's going to fall on our E flat chord. So we have, let's see here. E major. Target chord is going to be G flat major chord. So we're going to play D flat, G flat, B flat. Invert it. C diminished, up a whole step from the B flat to C. Invert that chord to the A at the bottom. Alright, and then it's going to take us down to our E major chord. So alright, F, I believe this will be my last one. Target chord is going to be G major, so we're going to be playing D, G, and B. Invert it down. Alright, up a whole step to D flat major. D flat, diminished 7. D flat, E, G, and B flat. Alright, and that's going to take us down to our F major. So we have, oh, sorry. Alright, and then back to G flat. I think that's where I started at. Alright, so take your song, end it. Alright, hope that helped. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks.